Everyone. So I'm very privileged and honored to be talking to Dr. Pratik Suratwala, who has just secured AIR 44 in NEET SS 2024 surgical group. So congratulations, first of all, Dr. Pratik, and thank you for talking to me. So how are you feeling right now?
Thank you, sir. Sir, it's a great feeling and honor to be here with you, sir. It's
Great,
great.
great. So tell me about your journey. When did you start preparation, and how about did you go for the preparation?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am 2020 batch, means COVID batch, and at that time we have approx 1.5 year of first year residency.
Right.
So, sir, initially I can't read much, and then I started from the basic. Like I have read mostly Bailey. I have not read semester much in my MS, sir. But sir, then after reading Bailey, there are some topics you need to understand in the depth. So that then I tried to cover from the semester. I can't cover much, but sir, I tried as much as I can do. And then, sir, after completing MS, there were 2 months before NEET SS. Sir, no, my preparation is not up to mark for that time. But sir, but I try to cover as much as syllabus I can do from that 2 months. So I think that will help me in the next attempt, sir. So approx I have covered a whole syllabus at least once in that 2 months. Though I didn't get much good rank, but at that time I was hoping that it will help me in the next attempt. Then, sir, then one after that rank, I didn't even attempt in the counseling. And then, sir, I started preparation from the for the next year, and there was one notice which was saying that your NEET will be in the June 2024. So I thought that it is very less time. So that time I started preparing in the full fledged. And sir, uh, I was preparing from the notes which I have prepared from videos and that. And sir, I was stick to that and try to cover some basics, tables and figures from the Boolean semester. And sir, then I thought that by attempting various GTs, I thought that there are some portions that they were asking from the SWATs and other textbooks. But sir, I think won't we cover that. But then from one senior, I heard from for the Sushruta LGS, and he said that you just go through GTs of the Sushruta and you don't need to read any other textbooks. And sir, that was the turning point for the preparation. And sir, then I regularly giving GT for every 1 month initially. That and sir, analysis in the Sushruta LGS was a great. Means you can analyze subject wise and you can then analyze which subject you need to improve. And there is also guessing analysis and sometimes you overthink and you mark right to wrong. And that was the great for the LGS.
Right. So, what about the textbooks and how about did you go in reading? How did you solve the MCQs with your theory reading? And did you use the notes or you are more inclined towards using your own handwritten notes? So, what was your strategy like?
Sir, during MS time, I have made some handwritten notes and that I have utilized. And some topics I can't make notes, so that I have used ready-made notes. And
Okay.
sir, I was preparing like means in 1 month I have to cover this portion. That was at that time. Means I was going month by month. I was not like
Right.
I have to cover whole syllabus in 6 months or that. So, sir, if I am reading one topic in 2 days, then, sir, I was going through MCQs of that topic immediately,
Right.
initially. And uh, the topic which I think that is not covered in the notes, I was adding it in itself. And,
Right.
sir, then I was going through the tables and figures from the textbooks. I was
Right.
not trying to read whole textbooks because I thought that I won't be able to cover.
Right.
And sir, then MCQ, and then sir, I think main thing is a revision then. So sir, making one precise notes so you don't have to go through the multiple things. And sir, then revise your bookmark MCQs, sir.
Right.
Okay.
So which books made your base? So was it Bailey, Sabiston, and Shorts, or you just stuck to Bailey, Sabiston?
No, sir. Bailey is must, sir. So I have read almost entire syllabus through the Bailey at least once, at least twice. And sir, from Sabiston, I can't cover whole Sabiston, but sir, I try to cover most of the GI part and few chapters of the general, and sir, few basics of transplant, which was not covered in Bailey.
Right.
Sir, and then sir, in Swartz, yes, for endocrine, Swartz is the best, sir. I have
Right.
read thyroid, parathyroid, and rest entirely from the Swartz, sir.
Shorts. Right. So, from this paper, what would be your advice to the future aspirants who would be listening to you, that uh, do they or should they read Bailey, Savist, and Shorts for sure according to how the pattern has been? What is your advice to the aspirants?
So my advice is that during MS period, you can't use any one platform. You can use platforms for clearing your concepts. But sir, I think a textbook is the must in MS period.
Yes.
You can do go through the notes in the MS period. Yes, after MS you can use, and it is obvious because you can't cover whole syllabus in your preparation. But
Yes.
sir, once or twice textbook is the must. And then sir, after in MS, go through the notes and the topic which you think you need to cover from the textbooks that you have to read. But you can't cover whole textbooks in the post MS period, I think.
Right. So if you have time, I feel what we can take from what you said is that MS period, you should be starting your reading early. And if you are planning
Yes,
for
sir.
essays, then your goal should be to read textbook in such a way that your goal is not just theory exam, but also NEET essays. That is something which I would
Yes, sir.
like the future aspirants to understand. And as you also told that now they've started asking short, so I think the three books form the base. So coming to next is that what is the importance of MCQ practice? How did you do it, and what would you say to the aspirants about how they should go about MCQ practice?
Sir, MCQ is the as much as important as much as you cover the theory, sir. Because while reading theory, you think always that I know this, but you do some silly mistakes, and that is the turning point, and that where the changes of the ranks. You can go from the rank 100 to rank 200 within the 3 to 4 marks, sir.
Yes,
So, sir,
indeed.
MCQ practice is the must. And yes, sir, during revision, you can't cover whole MCQ, 5,000, 6,000. So
Yes,
that time you can utilize those bookmark MCQs. But sir, it is must like if we see for the thyroid staging, then above age 55 there is a T1, T2 different staging, and below 55 different staging.
mm,
Sir, during reading, yes, you know, but when you see the MCQ, that
mm,
thing that did not pop up directly in your mind. So I
yeah,
think if you have solved the MCQs, that time you realize that is important, like, sir. So
yeah,
MCQs are important. And sir, if you see the paper of the exam, everybody feels that it is not similar to the any move, sir. Any means even if the other platform, but that does not make difference. If you have done other mocks precisely, then it makes difference. Means it is not like that if this they are putting more efforts on the only one topic. But sir, if you have prepared precisely, then it is important. And sir, there is, I feel that I during my MS period, I am not that much, I am only average student. So it is not like that that if I am average, I can't get ranked in the top 100 or top 200. Sir, I was used to think that in the my PG period, but then I thought that I have still 1.5 year. And in if 1.5 year I can do this, then who will do? So,
yes,
sir, I was stuck to that. Like, if I was average throughout my MS, but this time I have to do it. Means one or top 100, top 50.
I think it is always a personal perspective that we consider ourselves average or some topper, but eventually, if you are doing hard work and if you want to
Yes, sir.
achieve something, you can be achiever. I believe in that philosophy. And as you rightly said, that no matter whatever you use it, if you are clear with your concepts, if your base
Yes,
foundation is clear, you can easily crack any exam.
yes,
And
sir.
over and above that, hard work is the most important
Yes.
part about anything. There is no replacement of hard work.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Revision is the key. Means I have almost covered entire notes in 5 to 6 times. I
Yeah.
think revision is the key, and surround yourself with the good people. That
Yeah.
is also the key, sir.
That is the most important aspect that you said, both of them, that is positive mindset, and also your peer group should be that, and revision. I think I was going to ask you, but you mentioned that revision forms the base. And that
Yes,
is
sir.
also I
Exactly.
repeated multiple times, that revision is the one which decides the ranks actually more than
Yes, sir.
preparation.
And sir, read first time only those topics that you will be able to revise.
Yeah.
1 or 2 time reading from the multiple textbooks and multiple sites, that does not help. That I
Yeah.
think, sir.
I think you should decide upon what you want to read, what you want to
Yes,
take,
yes,
and then
exactly.
you should stick to that till the exam, and make sure that you do multiple times. I think that is
Yes,
what forms the base of preparation for NEET SS.
yes, sir.
So now, coming to Pratik, how did Sushruta LGS be of help to you, and what do you want to say? And second question is about feedback from your end for our platform, be it the app or the content, both positive and negative, so that if it is positive, it would be encouraging to us, and if it is negative, we can work upon that to improve upon. So, what would be your take on that?
As I have already said, sir, whenever I have purchased Sushruta LGS Decathlon series, and that was a turning point is in my preparation. Every month I was giving 1 mock initially. Sir, I was not getting good rank, but then I thought if I am not not able to get good rank in this, and almost 700 to 1,000 candidates give all exams, and those were the, I think, rankers here also in it. So I have to be top in those, however the paper is. And sir, the way you design the paper, it was totally, means I am so impressed, sir, by you, sir. And sir, uh, the topics which you can't cover from the notes, that whole I get from your your uh, test series.
Yes,
So sometimes you feel low, but that is also helpful because
yes,
you are covering those topics which you have not covered from the notes, sir. So that is great. And sir, last second national mock was fantastic, sir. Each questions were framed by you. I thought that each and that is so much thought process, take so much thought process. And sir, that type of questions come in the exam, sir. And some questions directly from the mock also. And sir, after each mock, you were giving videos
yeah,
from the only questions which were difficult and which were confusing. So I was used to see those videos only most of them, and the questions I was uh, seeing from the below mentioned that theory, sir. And
right,
sir, you also gave the page number from the substance what, so we can also revise from directly,
yes,
and it does not take much time. So it is fantastic, sir. And sir, we only prepare for 1 or 2 year, but sir, you keep doing this every year, sir. So it is a much success of yours and much effort of yours, sir. Sir, so salute to you, sir. And whenever we have any doubt, you are just a message away. Sir, you are
yes.
doing your practice, but you are also giving a solution of our query within the minute, sir. Sir, that is fantastic, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for that kind words, and encouraging words like yours only keep pushing me to be of your support to all of you. So, lastly, coming to the end, I would like you to give a message out to all the future aspirants who will be watching this. about how they can prepare, what should be their mindset, and what should they be considering when they go on this journey of preparing for NEET SS.
Okay. Sir, my advice is that all those who are in the MS start preparing from the second year of the MS only. Means initially you have to read only textbooks. Directly don't go to the any notes or that. And sir, then post MS you can shift to the notes. And keep revising. Never think that you won't be able to do it. Everyone can do it, sir. Sir, if I can do it, then everyone can do it. And sir, I think it is almost last exam, last any competitive exam. You don't have to give any other competitive
Yes,
exam in your life. And if you
actually.
crack this with a good rank, then your life will be great, sir. So keep revising and never think that you can't do it. Everyone can do it, sir.
Yeah, I think that is a very important that keeping that mindset that you can achieve no matter what and how you are reading. I think that's a very important take home message which all of the listening students should consider. So, lastly, coming to what is your interest of field and where are you planning to join further?
My interest is gastrosurgery, sir.
Okay,
So I am thinking of CPGI or BHUM.
right,
Means I
right.
am just thinking.
So, I would like to welcome you to the field of surgical gastroenterology and looking forward to meeting you in all the further GI surgery conferences and meetings wherever it's happening. And I'm very glad to also know that you are also from Gujarat. So, and I'm also from Ahmedabad, where you have done your UG, PG, where even I have done it. So, very glad to see that also and looking forward to meeting you there also.
Sure, sir. Sure. We will do so.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Pratik, for joining and talking to us. So we'll end the session here.